So, if you follow firearms news even just a little bit, you're aware that there has been a lot of back and forth over what constitutes various items such as firearms receivers, silencers, etc. The question comes up, where does a block of aluminum end and a firearm receiver even begin? Where does a piece of tube stock end and a silencer begin? Where does a drawing end and a finished part begin? And don't forget, if you'd like to support the channel directly, shop at Only Tactical Fans at Shopify.com and purchase you some badass merch like this PVC patch, Second Amendment patch with Velcro backing, and you can stick it directly onto your tactical gear. And what do you think of this shirt, huh? Maybe coming out soon. So, we believe this to be a dead issue because it was heard in front of the Fifth Circuit, and the Fifth Circuit ruled that the ATF did not have the authority to change definitions as they see fit, which they always fucking do. Dumbasses. I don't know how one can be so stupid, but gosh, there should be a definition for them in the dictionary. Which is true and false at the same time. It is true because they are not a legislative branch of the government. They cannot make, create, or modify laws at all. And here comes the but. And it's a big fucking butt. We're talking a Cardi B sized butt. Definitely bigger than J-Lo's. And this badonkadonk is called Chevron deference. It was made in the 80s in a case with a bunch of tree huggers versus the EPA. I'm not saying I agree or disagree one way or another with the two, but what I am saying is one of the worst Supreme Court decisions in American history was created. This thing is almost as bad as Miller, which upheld the NFA. In this particular decision, the Supreme Court granted bureaucrats, whatever, such as the EPA and the ATF, the power to interpret and enforce laws as they see fit. The problem with this is it removes separation of powers. Regardless of what side of the gun debate you sit on, I think we can all agree that people enforcing the law should not have the ability to make or change the laws because it grants one person and or organization too much power that's ripe for abuse. So basically, the meat and the potatoes of what's going on is the Fifth Circuit shut down the ATF's frame and receiver rule nationwide, and then SCOTUS stepped in and put a stay on the ruling until they have a chance to look at it themselves, which implies a couple of different things. Number one, better or for worse, they will infect the rule on this decision because I don't see them putting a stay on something they don't intend to ultimately make a ruling on. Number two, at least for the short term, certain tools and jigs are considered a firearm. Prediction time. Do I think the ATS frame and receiver rule will stand? No, not as written, but I do agree we need to find a new way to determine what is and isn't a firearm. Because the definition, as it stands, doesn't make sense at all. But I don't think giving the ATF Chevron deference on this is a proper solution either. Because the question comes up, is the solution worse than the problem? They are able to determine anything to be a firearm as they see fit. While this might sound fine to most anti-gun people, there needs to be a clear line between a block of nothing and a firearm so people are capable of following the law. Because if there is no clear line, they may start indicting people for a drawing on a piece of metal or something. Who knows? So my belief is the Supreme Court didn't put a stay on the ruling because they disagree with it. They put a stay on the ruling because they want a bite of the pie, and that big-ass pie is called Chevron deference. I believe they are going to use this case to severely limit or completely remove the Chevron deference legal theory. Because my understanding is it was never supposed to encompass criminal statutes. It was just supposed to be an expedited way to resolve unexpected questions about law that are insignificant. What I would love to see, which probably won't happen, the Supreme Court changing the definition of a firearm back to the definition as written by Congress and telling the ATF they can choke on a Costco-sized bag of dicks. Okay? What I believe the worst case scenario is the ATF's frame and receiver rule is affirmed by the Supreme Court and they are allowed to run around changing and making laws as they see fit. But after the Bruen decision, I really don't see that as a realistic possibility because of how hard the Bruen decision went in favor of gun rights. I believe this decision because the Bruen decision will be 1-2 punch knockout, forcing the ATF to follow the gun laws as written by Congress, which would change the current state of firearms laws in America. Anyways, pray for my husband and Justin's return, to Matthew to me and his girls, and Justin to his family. And don't forget, if you'd like to support the channel directly, you can click on the affiliate links in the description below, like Amazon. Even though if you don't buy what you're shopping at Amazon, just clicking that link because it came there off my link, I get a kickback because you came there off my channel. Or shop at Only Tactical Fans at Shopify.com. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, let me know what you think of the shirt. If I should add something if it's too big, because I want to make some of these shirts. So yeah, because I know a lot of people want like shirts and they kind of get sick of patches. But my patches are awesome, though. You can't like deny that.
I hope we always love Daddy and we always love him. You know, he is nice and strong, and we are strong too.
So yeah, I'll see you later. Hopefully this video is good, because I am tired, I am mentally exhausted, but I'm still up here and I'm still staying strong. Because I will not, no, I don't have a defeat bone in my body. That is my husband and my father, my kid's father. Like, no. That was horrible video I think I have done. Alright, class is back in session, bitches. For the love of fucking dick, dude. Are you happy to see me? I am back. Or am I normal? It's just the other people are weird. Bitch. Did you miss me? I missed you. I'm back. So cheesy. Wait. Let's do this. So, if you follow Firearms News, even a... Dude, I cannot talk today. So, if you follow... Poppy, come on. Dude, Poppy, seriously? Why is it every time? Get away from the equipment. Poppy, go. Poppy, no. I know. What? Okay, just a little bit of attention, okay? Just a little bit of attention. Everybody loves you. Yes. Can you go lay down? Go eat or something. I don't know. Go play with the other cats. I need you to put some. Stay away from the equipment. Go. No. Poppy, I will take the money out of your bank account. Okay? If you break any of this stuff, coming out of your account. Go. Yes, How can I be so mad at you? You're so stinking cute. Go. My cats. They're characters. Each and every one of them. All 5 of them. I had 7, but I got rid of 2. I'm the crazy cat lady, officially. Shit. Go lay down. Quiet. Puppy, stop. Puppy. Quiet.